In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy Arsenal match ticket. To get started, head over to arsenal.com and from the main menu, click on Tickets. This page lists all upcoming fixtures, including Premier League, Champions League, and Cup matches. From here, pick the game that you want. Each match page tells you who can buy, like red members, silver members, junior gunners, or if the game will go to general sale. Make sure to check the sale date and time so you're ready. Proceed, click on the Buy Tickets button under the game that you want. You might be prompted to log in to your account and complete your profile. Now, once here, choose your seats using the stadium map. Click on the Add button to add a seat, then proceed to Add to Basket and check out. Just a reminder that big fixtures sell out fast, so make sure that you act quickly. Now, from here, just review the details of your ticket and, of course, the seat that you chose. And if you have a promo code, you can enter it here, then proceed to check out. Now here you have an option to pay via debit or credit card. So select the card type and basically just fill in your payment information. Then just click on review order to finalize transaction. Once your payment is complete, you'll get a confirmation email. Most tickets are available as digital tickets, which you can download to your mobile wallet for scanning at the stadium. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!